Hi there, Adrian here from Cademy, and today I'd like to give you a demo of our latest update, which is custom booking forms on the course checkout. Now, previously we've just been collecting the name and the email and phone number on at the point when someone books, and a lot of the educators have reached out and said that they want to be able to collect additional details from their customers, which is what this update will allow you to do. So you'll notice that I'm logged in into the educator admin console where we edit your the courses. And here, when you edit a course, when you get to the last step, which is where you have all the optional settings for your course, you will have an optional setting to customize the form. You click in there and you have all of your existing forms. If you've created a form already, you'll be able to just reuse it straight away. But let's say I just want to create a brand new form, and I'll call this form for the video, right? I can easily have some default fields, and I can add more fields. And these are the fields at the top that I've used on some of the other forms that I have already set up. And I can just easily add them to my form like this, or I can create brand new fields. Let's say I want to add a new multiple choice and say, where did you find out about us, right? Just curious to see. And you'll see that there's a real-time preview of how you hear about us. And that's showing right underneath here, and I'll add some options for them to tick boxes in and say Facebook, friend, family, Google, and that's good enough. Create field, and there you go. We have a form for the video, save, and actually, you know what, before I do that, I'll just go and move this field a bit higher and make this field required. I can dive in to make that required, or I can just click on this asterisk here to make it required. I'll just update the form, save, and I'll publish my course. Let me just view this course, and you'll see that when I click to book, now instead of the default form, I'll have this custom form to check out and enter my details. And of course, all of the details will be available for you on the back end when you look at the booking as well. Right, I hope you'll enjoy this update, and if you have any feedback, please do share with us. We'd like to hear from you. Thanks and take care.